Have you ever wondered why camels have humps? We're diving into the captivating world of camels, and we're starting with their most distinctive feature. You've probably heard the common myth that the camel's hump is a water tank, a container for the desert's most precious resource. But hold on to your hats because we're about to debunk that myth. Camels, these remarkable creatures, are indeed desert survivors, but not because they're toting around a water cooler on their backs. No, the hump is actually a storage unit for fat. This fat can be broken down into water and energy when food is scarce, aiding their survival in harsh desert climates. That's right, it's a nutritional powerhouse, fueling their long journeys across the barren landscapes. So, the next time you see a camel, remember that its hump is not a water canteen but a resourceful adaptation for survival in the toughest of environments. So, contrary to popular belief, a camel's hump is a reservoir of nutrients, not water. Why are camels known as the ships of the desert? This intriguing question has a fascinating answer. Camels are perfectly suited to their desert environment, thanks to a host of unique features and adaptations. The first aspect to consider is their long legs. These aren't merely for show, but serve a crucial purpose. The extended length of a camel's legs keeps their body further away from the scorching desert sand, reducing heat intake. A camel's legs are also strong and resilient, enabling them to carry heavy loads across vast arid lands. Then we have their wide, leathery feet. These are not just fashionably chunky, but they have a practical function. The broad surface area helps distribute the camel's weight evenly, preventing them from sinking into the soft desert sand. This is much like snowshoes for humans, only for sand. Now let's talk about the camel's ability to weather extreme temperatures. Their thick coats insulate them from the desert's intense heat during the day and keep them warm during the bone-chilling nights. A camel's body temperature can fluctuate more than that of most other mammals, allowing them to endure the desert's drastic temperature swings. But that's not all. Camels have a superpower that makes them the ultimate desert survivors. They can go for long periods without water. When they do drink, they can consume up to 40 gallons in one go. This helps them survive in a place where water is scarce and unpredictable. These adaptations make the camel an excellent desert navigator. They can traverse the harsh, unforgiving terrain with the same ease and grace as a ship sailing across the sea. This is why camels are often referred to as the ships of the desert. They are nature's way of showing us that with the right tools and adaptations, survival is possible even in the most inhospitable environments. With these unique features, camels are indeed the ultimate desert travelers. What does a camel eat to survive in such harsh conditions, you might ask? Camels, my friends, are not picky eaters. Their diet primarily consists of plants, many of which are too harsh for other animals to consume. The desert, while appearing barren, is home to numerous species of plants that camels thrive on. The secret to their dietary resilience lies in their mouth. Camels have a hardy mouth lining that can withstand the prickly thorns of desert plants. This survival adaptation allows them to munch on thorny shrubs and trees with ease, providing them with necessary nutrients. Moreover, camels can consume dry, salty, or bitter plants that most animals would steer clear of. Their ability to digest these tough plants is another testament to their incredible survival skills in the harsh desert environment. So next time you think about the challenging desert life, remember the camel. Camels are indeed resilient eaters, consuming plants that most creatures avoid. How much water can a camel consume at one time, I hear you ask? Well, prepare to be amazed. Camels, those hardy ships of the desert, have been known to drink up to 40 gallons of water in one single session. Yes, you heard it right. 40 gallons. That's approximately the amount of water in a standard bathtub. To put this into perspective, imagine you're drinking water. How many glasses can you gulp down in one go? 2, 3, maybe 4 if you're really thirsty. Now 1 gallon is equal to about 16 cups. So a camel drinking 40 gallons is like it's downing 640 cups of water. Quite a feat, isn't it? But why do camels need to drink so much water? The answer lies in the harsh environments they inhabit. Deserts are dry, hot, and water sources are few and far between. Camels have adapted to these tough conditions by evolving the ability to consume vast amounts of water when it is available, helping them survive for long periods without it. Now you might be wondering, how does a camel's body handle all that water? Unlike humans who would suffer from water intoxication if we drank too much too quickly, camels' bodies are uniquely designed to handle this massive fluid intake. Their red blood cells are oval, allowing them to expand without bursting as they absorb the water. This hydration technique is a bit like filling up a car's petrol tank before a long journey. And here's another fun fact. Camels don't store water in their humps as many people believe. Those humps are actually filled with fat, which the camels break down into water and energy when food and water sources are scarce. So, while they don't store water in their humps, camels have a remarkable ability to hydrate quickly. This incredible adaptation not only helps them survive in some of the harshest climates on our planet, but it also gives us one more reason to admire these resilient and fascinating creatures. What role have camels played in human history? This question sets us off on an exciting journey through time, tracing the hoofprints of these remarkable creatures that have played an indispensable role in shaping our world. Camels, with their unique ability to withstand harsh desert conditions, have been a lifeline for humans, particularly in arid regions. They've been the desert ships, transporting goods and people across vast, inhospitable landscapes. Trade routes like the Silk Road owe much of their success to camels who carried silk, spices, and other goods between Asia and Europe for centuries. These enduring animals were not merely a means of transport, they were the backbone of early global commerce. But the relationship between humans and camels goes beyond mere utility. In many cultures, camels are revered and cherished. Take the Bedouin culture, for instance. For the Bedouin, a nomadic people of the Arabian deserts, the camel is more than just an animal. It's a companion, a symbol of endurance, and a crucial part of their identity. Bedouin poetry and folklore are replete with references to the camel, reflecting the deep bond between the people and these resilient creatures. Camels have also played a pivotal role in warfare. Their speed and stamina made them invaluable in desert warfare, and many an empire has been built and defended on the backs of camels. In fact, some of the world's most formidable warriors, including the armies of Genghis Khan, have utilized camels in their military campaigns. And let's not forget the camel's contribution to our diets. Camel milk, for instance, is a staple in many cultures and is now gaining global recognition for its nutritional benefits. In short, camels are not just desert animals. They are central figures in our history, our culture, and our lives. They have carried us, fed us, and fought for us. They have shaped our world in ways that few other animals have. Camels are not just desert survivors. They have been crucial companions for humans throughout history. What other surprising facts are there about camels? Well, let's dive right in. Despite their reputation as desert dwellers, did you know that camels are actually quite capable swimmers? Yes, that's right. These humped wonders can handle more than just sand dunes. When they need to, they can swim through deep water, and they do it with style. Now let's take a trip down under to Australia. Here you might be surprised to find the world's largest population of wild camels. These aren't native species, but descendants of camels brought over in the 19th century. They've adapted well and now roam free across the Australian outback, a testament to their amazing adaptability. And there you have it. From swimming prowess to Australian adventures, camels continue to surprise and fascinate us. With their unique abilities and fascinating history, camels are indeed one of the most remarkable creatures on our planet.